Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm a registered dietitian and chef, and today I want to share with you a berry chia jam recipe. Perfect for pancakes, waffles, oatmeal, yogurt, or even in ice cream sundaes. For this recipe, all we need are 2 cups of berries. I'll be using blueberries today, a little bit of whole chia seeds. It could be white or black whole chia seeds. And last but not least, a little bit of maple syrup, honey, agave, or if you would prefer using no sweetener, you can always omit as well. In a small pot, combine your berries, and we're gonna let it simmer down. This will take approximately 10 minutes. Now that the berries are nice and soft and most of the liquid has come out, it's time to remove from the stovetop and add in our remaining ingredients. Now we're gonna pour the warmed blueberries into a small bowl. And then go ahead now and add your sweetener of choice. Next, we're gonna add in our whole chia seeds. And then using a fork, you can mash the chia seeds down. Allow the chia seeds to absorb all the liquid. In a few minutes, the chia seeds will thicken up the blueberry sauce. And now this can actually be stored in the fridge for up to 1 week. And there's so many different ways to use this chia jam recipe. With this chia jam, you can top it with yogurt. So here I have some plain Greek yogurt. You just dollop some right in, and voila, a quick breakfast or afternoon snack. Another option is you can take a cracker or rice cake, you can dollop it with some pure hazelnut butter or almond butter. Hazelnut butter is my go-to. And then dollop a little bit of the blueberry jam on top. Yum! This combination of hazelnut and blueberries makes for a perfect snack combination. And don't forget, you can also top it off with your ice cream sundae. With this chia jam, remember all the endless possibilities that you can use in your home-cooked meals. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. And until next time, relish every bite.